Hi, today I will present our business intelligence case study which we did using Microsoft Power BI Desktop. This project focuses on the ETL process and dashboard visualization using the mobile SIS dataset. This project was conducted to perform the ETL process, which stands for extraction, transformation, and loading. The dataset was cleaned and transformed before creating dashboard visualizations for business analysis and decision making. First, we imported the mobile SIS dataset file into Power BI desktop. The dataset contains three tables, which are phone brands, mobile models, and sales data. Then, in the phone brands table, we removed duplicate rows. Before removing the duplicate rows, the dataset contained repeated records which could affect data accuracy. We selected all columns and used the remove duplicates function in Power BI. After removing duplicates, only unique records remained in the dataset. Next, we trimmed unnecessary spaces. Before trimming spaces, some text values contain unnecessary spaces. We selected the text columns and used the trim function under the transform tab. After trimming spaces, the text values became cleaner and more consistent. Then we remove null values in the phone brand table. Before removing null values, some records had missing information. We filtered the columns and removed rows containing null values. After removing null values, the dataset became more complete and reliable. Finally, we renamed columns in the phone brands table. Before renaming columns, some columns names were unclear. After renaming, the table became more organized and readable. Next, in the mobile models table, we removed invalid brand ID. Before removing invalid brand ID values, some rows did not match the related tables properly. We filtered the brand ID column and removed invalid values such as B999. After removing invalid brand ID values, only valid records remained. Next, we handle missing values. Before handling missing values, some rows contain empty model name and price RM values. We removed rows containing null values from the dataset. After handling missing values, the dataset became cleaner and suitable for analysis. Finally, in the mobile model table, we left only related data containing model ID, brand ID, model name, and price RM. Before leaving only related data, the table contained unrelated information. After that, the table became cleaner and easier to manage. Next, in the sales data table, we removed duplicate records. Before removing duplicate records, the sales data contained repeated sales entries. We selected all columns and removed duplicate records from the sales data table. After removing duplicate records, the sales data became more accurate. Next, we corrected inconsistent state names. Before correction, state names were written differently. For example, Slanger with a big S were written as Slanger with a small s. So, we used replaced values to standardize all state names. After correction, all the state names became standardized and consistent. Next, we fixed null quantity sold values. Before fixing null quantity sold values, some records affected the sales calculations. We replaced and removed null values from the quantity sold column. After fixing the values, the calculations became more accurate. Finally, we corrected invalid model ID. Before correcting invalid model ID values, some records were unrelated to existing phone models. We filtered and removed invalid or unrelated model ID values. After correction, the dataset became more accurate and consistent.
Good afternoon. My name is Jagdishwari. Today I am going to present about relationship model in Power BI. Relationship created. Two relationships were created in the Power BI model. The first relationship connect the phone brands table with the mobile models table using the brand ID. The second relationship connects the mobile models table with the sales data table using model ID. Why one-to-many? We used to one-to-many relationship because one phone brand can produce many mobile models. For example, Samsung can have many models like Galaxy S24 or Galaxy A55. Similarly, one mobile model can appear many times in sales records because the same phone can be sold multiple times. And the third is important of relationship. The relationship is important because it connects related data from different tables and avoid duplicate data. It also improves data organization and ensure calculation and filtering in Power BI are accurate. Without relationship, the dashboard analysis may produce incorrect results. The last one is business integration support. The relationship models help support business integrations analysis by using user to analyze sales data based on phone brands and mobile models. It helps identify to top selling models, compare brand performance, and create interactive dashboards for better business decision making. Next is dashboard overview. For our dashboard title is phone sales dashboard. This dashboard was created to visualize phone sales performance and provide better understanding of sales trends. It allows user to analyze sales data based on phone brands, states, phone models, and pricing information. The dashboard also includes interactive filters that help user focus on specific data and view dynamic changes in the charts. Overall, the dashboard supports better business decision making by providing clear and meaningful insight through data visualization. Okay, the next is data visualizations. The dashboard contains 4 main visualizations to analyze phone sales performance effectively. The first visualization is total quantity sold by phone brand. Display using a clustered bar chart. This chart compresses the quantity sold for each phone brand and helps identify which brand has the highest customer demand. The second visualization is total sales by state, shown using a clustered column chart also. This chart compresses sales revenue across different states and help identify the top performing location that contribute the most sales. Then the third visualization is average phone price by brand, also present using a clustered column chart. This chart compresses the average price of phone between brands and help distinguish premium brands from budget-friendly brands. The final visualization is top selling phone model by quantity, display using a clustered bar chart. These charts show the best selling phone models based on quantity sold and help identify the most popular product in the market. And dashboard features and design. The dashboard includes slicer for brand name and state. This filter also used to interact with the dashboard and dynamically update the charts based on selected data. And KPI card also include to display important information such as total sales, total quantity sold, total model, and total brands. The dashboard design use a consistent color themes, proper labels, and an organization layout to improve readability and user to understanding. The last one is conclusion. The ETL process was successfully completed using Microsoft Power BI desktop to clean, transform, and organize the mobile sales dataset. The relationship created between the tables allowed accurate analysis and meaningful dashboard visualization to be developed through the dashboard. Important business insights such as total sales, phone brand, performance, and top selling model could be analyzed more efficiently. Overall, this project demonstrates how business integrations tool can help support better decision making through proper data management and visualizations. That's all. Thank you.